May this law school graduate never become an actual lawyer. And I mean that with everything in me. Stay until the end because I do have a video I'm sharing with y'all. So crazy videos of a drunken law school graduate's behavior. So crazy videos of a law school graduate's drunken interactions and behavior have come out after police arrested her for killing a man earlier this month. She reportedly ran over the man. 32-year-old Lauren Mullins is reportedly a law school graduate of Suffolk Law. She is from Boston. She has now been charged with motor vehicle homicide, and that was after she hit 73-year-old Daniel O'Neill. This was on March 21st at around 1:20 a.m. This was reportedly on the campus of MIT in Cambridge, Massachusetts. However, this deadly collision was not her first issue with law enforcement or drunk and erratic driving. Records reportedly show that she has been arrested in several different states. This is for assault, resisting arrest, speeding, and disorderly conduct, and this goes back to 2014. And what it is she thinks she's above the law due to her education and law degree, and you can tell that in the body camera footage I'm going to show you in just a second. So police body camera footage has now come out from her most recent arrest, but this was before the deadly collision in Massachusetts. This was as cops in New Jersey tried to arrest her on January 31st of this year. She was absolutely unhinged, yet she's supposed to represent people and be an attorney in a courtroom? I think not. She is totally aggressive with cops. She's yelling and cussing at them. She even had the nerve to threaten cops with her pointless and meaningless law school credentials. When you act like this, they mean nada. She told cops she would destroy them because of her degree. I mean, it's quite funny. It was said, though, that her attitude in court this week was much different because I guess she realized that all these issues and interactions with authorities have ruined her chances of ever becoming a successful lawyer. She reportedly faces 20 years in prison if she is convicted of the vehicular homicide charge, or up to 20 years, I should say. But I'm almost positive she will be convicted. At least she should be. While she was in court, she reportedly mentioned her credentials from law school, of course, and then she started crying while prosecutors were presenting their case against her. Poor, pitiful Lauren. I have zero sympathy for her, and you will too after you see this body cam footage. After all these issues I've already mentioned, she was also arrested for drunk and disorderly behavior. This was in October of last year, 2024, in New Jersey. During that incident, she reportedly told cops that she was smarter than all of them combined because she had a law degree. Unreal. But her latest arrest actually killed an innocent man. She allegedly killed Mr. O'Neill, who was riding on a moped. She hit him with her vehicle, and that was before she ran into an MIT police patrol car. And this was while the two of them were stopped at a red light. Prosecutors said in court that they could not even conduct a field sobriety test on her because she was so drunk and belligerent. According to Lauren's LinkedIn page, she has worked in multiple legal positions, and that was after she graduated law school in 2019. She was reportedly a law clerk for a law firm in Boston, and she was also a legislative aide for the Massachusetts House of Representatives. It was said in court that her lawyer argued that her issues were relatively recent, or that her record was. What does that have to do with anything? The attorney also said her behavior was curable. Prosecutors reportedly disagreed with this, though. They called her a danger to the community, and I totally agree. The judge reportedly ordered that Lauren be held in home confinement with GPS monitoring, and that's before her next court date, which is in May. But back to the victim, Mr. O'Neill. It was said he was a wonderful man, and he died in a hospital 2 days after the crash. His family is devastated. They're demanding justice, and I pray they get it 100%. My heart definitely aches for them, and they have my prayers that justice is served to the fullest extent. This woman needs her law degree and her driver's license revoked, and she also needs to spend quite some time both in therapy and behind bars. Here is the unreal video of her being arrested. It's quite disgusting, honestly. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and for more true crime, make sure to hit that follow button and subscribe if you're on YouTube.
Relax. We're concerned about you. You got anything to drink tonight?
Nope.
How much have you had to drink, bro?
Like 2 drinks.
It seems like a little bit more than that. I can smell it on your breath. Okay?
First of all, you can never smell that on somebody's breath.
Hold on.
You're a fucking idiot.
Listen to me. My name is Ron. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? My name is Ron. What's your name?
My name is Lauren.
Lauren. Okay,
Your
Lauren.
name is I have a degree and I will destroy you.
Okay. Lauren. Listen to me.
You
We're
saw
concerned-
me. You were there.
Okay, but why
Are you
are you
kidding?
running on the streets? Why are you running around the streets right now? Why are we running around the streets right now?
Because I'm annoyed.
About what?
Because all of you guys wearing strong polite like cologne.
Who? Where?
All of you guys.
Okay. Okay, so listen.
I've seen you. I've seen you. I've seen
Okay,
you.
I've never seen you before, Lauren. So listen
Okay.
to me.
So look
Listen
up
to
the f***ing surveillance cameras then. Look up the surveillance cameras. No, look up the surveillance cameras.
No, put your hands on your back.
Oh, so because I identified him and he disagrees now it's my
Got another.
fault?